Hey everybody, this is Professor TJ Wilkins, and in this video we'll explore fall fashion inspiration. Fall invites us to slow down. It shows us the beauty of letting go of that which no longer serves us. Just like how the trees let go of their leaves for rest and renewal, when we let go, it renews our minds with fresh ideas, energizes our spirit, and prepares us for rest and growth. Creatively, letting go is powerful. Walking outside in fall becomes a mindful practice within itself. As golden light filters softly through the trees, this season offers a kaleidoscope of colors, hues, and textures that awakens our creativity. Also, when we are fully present, inspiration flows more freely. So before you begin your design project, I invite you to slow down, step outside, and be fully present. Let the spirit of fall open your mind to its endless creative possibilities. Fall is a texture playground, so when in nature, pay attention to the textures and infuse what you find inspiring into your art. For example, here's a picture I took while walking in the park. The wind blew leaves into the crook of the sidewalk. I found the partially dried leaves wedged between two different gravel textures inspiring, so I immediately began to translate that into fabric form. For the sidewalk, I thought about burlap textures and linen or cotton strips in a basket weave pattern. Now, some may say that cotton and linen are summer fabrics, but I don't care, because to me, linen and cotton are every season fabrics. I'm willing to argue that into infinity and beyond. For the leaves, I thought golden sequins fabric, which is beyond me because the leaves aren't sparkly. I think it would have made more sense if maybe a fabric with leaves applique, but decided to stick with the first choice. I could put distressed linen or cotton over the sequins so you can see the sparkles through the fabric holes. That may work. Or maybe even a distressed cotton gauze fabric. And then for the road gravel, I can use boucle wool fabric. There was also this gorgeous tree with thick and tangled roots, covered with green moss and burgundy gold leaves scattered on top. So thick cable knits were the first thing that came to mind, and then crochet knits with lace stitching, especially the Irish moss lace stitch. Here is the close-up of the tree moss and then the moss lace knitting stitch. The tree bark creates amazing textures, and also bark cloth was a fabric that came to mind. Now, this tree was definitely a texture playground, but it was the hanging pine cones that pulled me in, which got me thinking about silhouettes. In fashion, silhouettes is about the shape or outline of a garment, the overall form it creates on the body. So when you're out this fall, also pay attention to all the various natural silhouettes. Looking at the pine cone, the first thing that popped in my head was a cocoon silhouette and how that will be great for fall coats. Fall is a pumpkin and squash season. Seeing that makes me think of fun faux round bubble skirts or faux puffy sleeves. Also think about the outlines for a garment hem. For example, a scallop edge similar to a squash. Now, the butternut squash gives body-yaddy, so it's a pear shape, and you can use it for the body of a garment, and it's a great silhouette for sleeves. The pine cone inspires a full tiered layer silhouette. I also love the angular and structured vertical lines you find in fall. You can transfer them to hems, or you can use them to inspire the full body of the garment. For lines and stitches, you can even stitch the curved lines from a tree bark onto a garment. Of course, one of the most fascinating parts of fall are the colors. There's rich burgundies and rusty orange. And oh my God, I love how that color contrasts against the sky. And then there's the golds. It is so stunning when the light shines through the leaves. And you don't even need to worry about creating a color story because nature's like, I got you. We got the greens and the yellows. These color combos are just everything. Now look at this, the greens and the burgundies with the golds. You really don't need to figure out how to match the colors in your color palette. And then you get the orange, the golds, the burgundies, and the browns. Oh, love it. Now turn it into a color story because nature did the work already. You can do rich, vibrant colors, or maybe medium hues, or even neutral and soft browns. For mood boards, you could do like a rich, earthy theme. Or if you ever get stuck, you can scroll through Pinterest for ideas. Regarding fabrics, there are many fall options. You can try corduroy, tweed, herringbone, velvet, one of my faves, alpaca wool, boucle wool, hand knits, and brushed merino wool or even cashmere knit. If you'd like to know more about fall fabrics, download the free PDF information in the bio. Well, I hope these fall moments inspire you to let go and explore your creativity. Tell me what you came up with in the comments. I'm here for it. And as always, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like to support my work, you can donate through GoFundMe, Ko-fi, Cash App, or PayPal. You can also join the Professor T.J. Wilkins Makers community on Ko-fi. All of this information is in the bio. And if you enjoyed the content, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, or hit that notification bell.